Yeah. Hello everyone. How are you all? I'm audible to you?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So, okay, welcome back again, and I hope you all are fine. Correct?
Yes, sir, we are fine.
Okay. So, what topic you want me to discuss here today? Anything?
How to represent irrational number on number line?
Okay. How to represent a rational number? Okay.
No, sir, irrational.
Irrational number. Okay. Represent irrational number. Yeah. So it means you started the study, correct, for the 9th classes, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Fine. Good. So hopefully next sessions, if we continue these live sessions there, and every Monday, Wednesday, and means how Saturday we are doing there, and so we will revise whatever topics you taught. So we will revise it here, and whatever doubts you are getting in home, just solve it here. Okay. So don't keep anything in there. Okay. This small topic is also there. Just read it out and just discuss it out. Okay. So see, irrational number, as I mentioned, most of the students they have not heard about the irrational number. How many of you have know about the irrational number? Those who went in 8 to 9 classes. Correct. So everyone, you know about the irrational number?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Mrityunjay, did you heard about the irrational number there? So see, first of all, let's see what is the irrational number there. So what is the irrational number actually means that? So first we need to know about the rational number, correct? Rational number means anything. If I'm saying anything, if it is in the form of p by q, means any number if you represent or it can be represented by p by q form, where q should not be equals to 0, and those type of number, if I divide also, I'll get the terminating term, terminating decimal. Terminating decimal in the sense what? What is terminating decimal? Terminating decimal in the sense, suppose if I'm dividing 5 by 2, so 2 to 4 and get 1. If I keep decimal here, I can keep 0, 2, 5 again 10. So this divisions and here, correct. So after certain steps, if the divisions are ended, then those type of things we can call it as a terminating decimal, correct. But in some cases, you can get it like suppose same thing if I divided with 1 minute. So 1 minute, I just. Okay, so if I'm saying in some cases, suppose if I'm dividing 2 by 3, suppose. So what I'm getting here, 0.0 I can keep, 3 6 are 18, again 2 will come. Again decimal is there, I can keep 0. Again 6 will come, 18. Again 2 will come here. Again 0 decimal is there, where we can keep 0. Again 6, 18. So we can get this type of division also, correct. And what I'm getting in the questions here, I'm getting some term is repeated, correct. Means 6 is coming again and again after the numbers, and this division is also going over there, and as I can't I can't just end this type of division, correct? So this type of division we can call it as a non-terminating. Non-terminating means I'm not able to end this division how I have done before. I'm not able to end this division, and we can call it non-terminating. Non-terminating, but this number is repeated, and we can call it as a repeated. Okay, so terminating decimals and non-terminating repeated decimals, if it is there, understand that both can be converted in the rational number. Means if I'm getting any decimal here, which is it may be suppose I'm getting 1 2 3, and after 3 again I'm getting 1 2 3. So again this term is repeated here. So these type of things also can be means convert in the rational form. But that must be the repetition after some certain numbers there. Okay, so that must be repetition. If I'm saying after this, suppose 1 2 3, and I'm getting 0 again, I'm getting 1 2 3, and I'm not getting 0 here, suppose. So this type of things is not this is not repeating here, correct? The 0 is there, which is extra here, so I can't say this number is repeated after the decimal, correct? So if the number is non-terminating and repeated, that only we can convert it as a rational number. I'm getting different in all the times, suppose, correct? If I'm dividing with any numbers and I'm getting the decimals which is not repeated also, so those type of things, if I'm getting those type of things which I can't and I can't repeat it, those type of things we can call it as a irrational number. Suppose if I'll say regarding root 2, correct? If I'm saying root 2 is rational or irrational, how you can confirm by, as I'm saying the definitions like this, by PQ form, P by Q form, terminating decimal, non-terminating repeated. So how you can define by root 2? What is the value of root 2 you are getting? You know how to find the root 2 value, everyone? How many of you are able to find the root 2 value?
Yes, sir, I know.
What is the root 2 value?
Sir,
So if I'm getting 1.414 and so many numbers we are getting which is not repeated, means the decimal I'm getting which is non-terminating and not repeated. So how we can do? Simply we can divide like that 2. So if it is 2, we can keep decimal and we can make 0 there, correct? So 1 1 1, and we can keep 1 here, again 1 1 plus 1 2, again this decimal will go up, again 0 will come here, correct? Again 4 times 4 here, 4 here, so 4 4 16 96, correct? So 4 4 8, 2 will come, this 4, again this will be, this 0 will to come here, correct? Again I need to keep here, that division will go on and on, correct? This is nothing but finding the square root, correct? So like that we can do. If I do, so I'll get the terms like that only. So 1 time, again 4 times, correct? So I have to choose according to that numbers. So if you continue these divisions, you'll get a decimal here. And if you find this terms, whatever the decimal you are getting is this is not terminated, correct? That is not terminated. Okay, so how we can represent if those terms are not terminated, correct? If those terms are not terminated and I don't know after how many decimals these terms are going to be end, so how I can represent on the number line, correct? How I can represent on the number line, because we know 0, if I mention the -1 -2, so if I keep suppose 0 1 0.1 0.2, so if I enlarge again, so I can get 0.12 0.13 like that in between that numbers, but this number is not terminated. And how I can decide that number is how I can keep it on that number line, correct? So we will move to another way to represent on the number line, and that is nothing but, do you know regarding the Pythagoras theorem, everyone? Pythagoras
Yes.
theorem, yeah. So how the Pythagoras theorem will do? suppose if I want to find root 2 distance, so if I make this is as a 1, this is as a 1, what is about this one? But AB equals to 1 unit, okay, and BC equals to 1 unit. Then what about my AC? What about my AC? This is a right angle triangle, suppose. What about my AC? How we can represent that one? How much AC will be? So you know the Pythagoras theorem. So AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. So AC square equals to 1 square plus 1 square means 1 plus 1. So AC, this is square will go that side, root 2. So what is my AC? Root 2. Is it correct?
Yes.
Yeah. So if it is correct, this one, so that means if I introduce something like that on the number line, then I can maybe I can just represent those thing number line because I can measure now. I can measure this distance, correct, with the compass, and I can just put it down from the 0 and I keep that distance on the number line. So how we can do it? This one, suppose, so let it be. Suppose this is a number line, okay. This will be a 0. You have to choose according to that number. Suppose root 2 I need to place there. So root 2 is a extra number. I want to put it there on this one. So keep 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, like that. Okay. So first you have to take 1 unit from here. So I took 1 unit here. So I took from 1 here to here 1 unit. Draw one line here from 0 to 1 unit. Okay. So that depends on you. If you they have not seen this, they will not told you have to find the root 2 centimeter, root 2 feet, like that. They will ask you to find root 2 directly, root 3 directly. Understand? So they can be of any unit. Understand? No need to get tension regarding how I can place the centimeter meter here. Correct? So they will not give you like that. So they will give you the unit means either you can take 2 centimeter as a 1 unit, or 1 centimeter as a 1 unit, or 3 centimeter as a 1 unit. That depends on you. Correct? Understand my point? What I said?
Yes.
That is up to you whether you can take 1 centimeter as a 1 unit, or 2 centimeter as a 1 unit, or 3 centimeter as a 1 unit, or depends on you. Suppose I am taking this 2 centimeter as 1 unit. Okay. I am taking 2 centimeter as a 1 unit. Correct. Then I need to draw some perpendicular line from here to again 1 unit. So what I'll do, I can measure this 2 centimeter from here. Simply, I can make the perpendicular line from this point. So make the perpendicular line. You know how to draw the perpendicular line? Okay.
Yes.
So draw the perpendicular line from this point and measure 2 centimeter from here. Suppose you measure here. Let it be this point O. This is point A, and this is point B, and this is also of 1 unit. Okay. So as you know, this is 1 unit, this is 1 unit. So what will be about if you join this line? What about this one? Root 2 unit. Confirm?
Yes, sir.
This will be of 2 unit, root 2 unit. So you have to take the compass. Okay, you have to take the compass and you have to measure this distance with compass. Okay, keep one needle this side and pencil phone this side. Measure this distance with the compass. And suppose if you measure this one as like that, and just same distance you have to cover like that. Means draw the arc like that. Suppose I'm keeping here and I'm drawing the arc like that. Okay, from the this taking as this as a radius, draw the arc like that. So that will touch some point here. Okay, this will touch some point here. Make this point as P. Then now you can keep it here as a this point is P means 0 to this P distance is nothing but root 2 unit. So now you will represent root 2 as a number line.
Yes.
Clear this one?
Yes, sir.
One more thing is there. One more question is there, but we will do it that one later because first one's clear on those things. Suppose if you want to place root 5, how you can do that? How you can decide this union? Draw the root 5 from your in your textbook. Make it fast there. So how you can decide? Tell me the things you need to. Suppose if you want root 5 unit here. So how you can decide this length?
Sir,
get-
one length will be 2 and another will be 1. So 2 square, 2 square will be 4 and 1 square will be 1.
That one is 5 and this is square will go that side means square root. Understand? Understand the
Yes.
concept this one?
Yes.
Everyone
Yes, sir.
understand? Yeah. So if they ask you to suppose root 7, root 9, root 8, yeah, root 3, root 11, root 13. So can you draw it like that? So take this as a questions there. Okay, take this as a questions and try to draw this one. Okay, and try to draw take it as a video there. Okay, and try it. And if you not get, then we will discuss it again in that next session. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fine. Yeah. So I think might others also have their doubt, no? They can ask. So anything else you want me to discuss in this? I understand this point. What about things I have done here?
Yes, I understood.
Yeah. So can I run this?
Yes, sir.
Oh. Other can ask the questions, no problem. So see, what is the thing about we are thinking actually. So whatever the questions, whatever the video actually we are keeping there. So once see those videos there. Okay. So if you see those videos and definitely you can get something there. Okay, that is for the 10th class. So as we have seen, see 8th class, 9th and 10th. Okay. So see, number system you have learned in this one, correct? Number system you have done in the 8th class.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So there you have learned about the rational number. Same number system is there in the 9th classes. Okay, same number system is there. Okay, system is there, but here you are going to learn regarding the irrational number. Okay, and same number system are there in the 10th classes number system, and they will give you this combination of rational, irrational. That is real number. I already told you what is a real number. Combination of rational, irrationals makes real number. Correct? So that is there in the 10th classes. So suppose another chapter like linear equation in two variables, linear equation in one variables are there in 8th class. Same linear equations, two variables are there in the 9th classes, and then same pair of linear equations. That the linear equations become pair of linear equation in two variables in the 10th class. Understand? So many like quadrilaterals you have learned here. Again, quadrilaterals are here also, and same quadrilaterals not there, but triangle, and triangle is here also in the 9th sessions. Okay, so many chapters are there which is similar, which are just same concept are adding, means they are adding some small things in that, and they will make the means chapters in the your next sessions. So don't think there is nothing important. If you learn the 8th classes, 9th classes, and 10th classes, see the video for the 10th classes, and you are not getting anything from the 10th. 9 classes. It's not like that. Whatever the basic things are there, you have already learned, because 8th classes, 7th, you know about the congruence there. Correct? You learn about the congruency, congruence of triangle. Did you remember, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is there again in the 9th sessions. Okay, that is again there is in the 9th session. That means you have to follow the things whatever you have learned in the previous classes. Okay. Yeah. So tell me any point there, then we will talk it again. No problem. Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Tell me that. Within that.
Sir, is the pi is a rational or it is a rational number? Irrational number.
Yeah. Pi. Yes. See, if I'll say regarding this one, pi, which we are using, because without this pi value, we can't solve any circle problem. Okay, we can't solve any circle problems without the help of pi. But as the mathematicians, whatever the means things are going over there. 1 minute. Yeah. So the things are going over there. Means the mathematicians, so many mathematicians, they are working on that, and they already get after this means one. .14 like that. After decimal, they have found more than 1 trillion value. 1 trillion or 30 trillion value. They already they have seen more than 1 trillion value after this decimal, and still that divisions are going continue there. Understand? That divisions are still continue there. Means जो चीज वो divide कर रहे हैं after decimal के बाद वो terminate हो जाना चाहिए. ठीक है. लेकिन अभी भी वो terminate नहीं हुआ है. 1 trillion के बाद भी वो चीजें terminate नहीं हुआ है. But circle क्या कहता है कि अगर circle अगर की pi का value अगर ना रहे, because in the circle, what is a pi actually? Circumference by diameter. Pi का value क्या होता है? Circumference. ठीक है, circumference by diameter. क्योंकि circumference of circle क्या होता है?
2 pi.
2 pi r. So can I write 2r into pi? So 2r is nothing but d into pi. So can I write c? So pi is nothing but this d will go that side, means c by pi. This is the circumference.
Yes.
Correct? This is the pi value. Actually, what does it mean actually? इसका क्या मतलब है? अगर कोई भी सर्कल का पाई का वैल्यू होता है सी, सॉरी दिस इज डी. हाँ, किसी भी पाई का वैल्यू होता है उसके सर्कमफरेंस बाय डायमीटर. अंडरस्टैंड? किसी भी पाई का वैल्यू क्या होता है? सर्कमफरेंस बाय डायमीटर, और जिसका वैल्यू हम 3.14 यूज करते हैं. इससे क्या समझ में आता है? कैन यू टेल मी एनीथिंग ऑन दैट? क्या समझ में आता है? Still I'm waiting there. Any idea, anything you want to discuss, anything you have in your mind, you can just discuss. No problem. क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं. जब तुम सर्कल ड्रॉ करते हो, कोई भी सर्कल ड्रॉ करते हो, सपोज इफ आई गिव यू रेडियस 3 सेंटीमीटर का एक सर्कल ड्रॉ करो. ठीक है? ठीक है, रेडियस 3 सेंटीमीटर का एक सर्कल ड्रॉ कर सकते हो? इजीली कर सकते हो, राइट? सो आप 3 सेंटीमीटर का सर्कल ड्रॉ कर सकते हो. अगर उस सर्कल का सर्कमफरेंस भी नाप सकते हो. right? You can measure circumference of circle also. That means अगर circumference of circle measure कर सकते हो, अगर diameter भी तुम्हें पता है कि इसका diameter 6 सेंटीमीटर होगा, उसको divide करोगे तो कुछ टर्म तो आएगा खत्म होने वाली। Obviously, अगर ये बना है, ये परमानेंट अगर इरेशनल नंबर होता था, that means तुम्हारा सर्कल कैसा होता था पता है? और रियलिटी में सर्कल वैसा ही है, तुम्हारा सर्कल ऐसे है, बट दैट विल नेवर टच ईच अदर। तुम्हारा ऐसा है सर्कल, फिर डिवाइड करोगे ये पास में जाएगा, ठीक है, फिर भी टच नहीं करेगा, तुम जूम करके देखोगे फिर भी टच नहीं करेगा, फिर डिवाइड करोगे पास में जाएगा, फिर भी टच नहीं करेगा एक दूसरे को, फिर इसको जूम करके देखोगे तो ऐसा ही दिखेगा तुमको। मतलब अगर हम डिवाइड करते हैं डी से, उसके डायमीटर से, तो डिवाइड तो होता है, हर बार डेसिमल कुछ वैल्यू आता है, बट यहाँ पे वो चीजें एक दूसरे को टच नहीं करता है। बट न्यूमेरिकली वी आर टेकिंग दिस वैल्यू एज 3.14, अंडरस्टैंड, टू करेक्ट और टू सॉल्व आवर क्वेश्चंस देयर by the way regarding the circle, understand? So that is the reason still they are keeping pi is a irrational number. Okay, they are still saying irrational number. Okay, the value which we are using, that is approximate value we are using there, but pi is irrational number. Clear? pi के बारे में कुछ समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So Mrityunjay, did you clear regarding this one? pi क्या है फिर? irrational है, but हमें क्या है ऐसा okay, yeah, so but this is not exactly, मतलब कोई भी सर्कल का जितना उसका डायमीटर होता है, अगर तुम उसको काटोगे तो 3 हिस्से में कटेगा परफेक्टली, और जो एरिया बचेगा मतलब 1 point 1 unit and something point you will get here which is not touched, that's why 3.14 we are using the pi value. And that when we use this value, when we are I have just added one video yesterday and day before yesterday regarding the mensurations, correct? There also I have added, correct? So pi हम कहाँ पे, pi का वैल्यू 3.14 हम कहाँ पे यूज करेंगे? जब बातें होगी किसकी? जब लेंथ की बातें हो, अंडरस्टैंड? 3.14 कहाँ पे यूज करेंगे? हर जगह हम 3.14 यूज नहीं कर सकते पाई की वैल्यू, हम कहाँ पे यूज करेंगे? हमने क्या किया यहाँ पे? डायमीटर सर्कमफरेंस की बात की, हमने लेंथ की बात किया है, तो लेंथ में ही हम 3.14 का यूज करेंगे। जहां भी एरिया रिलेटेड चीज चलेगा, वॉल्यूम रिलेटेड चीज, तो वो तो बात तो लेंथ की ब्रेथ की करेंगे, अंडरस्टैंड? जब लेंथ की बात करेंगे तभी हमें 3.14 यूज करना है। जब 10th में जाओगे, आई टेल यू देयर पाई एक और होता है, वी कैन कॉल इट एज अ 1 रेडियन एंड वी आर टेकिंग एज अ 180 डिग्री, ठीक है? 180 डिग्री भी हम एज्यूम करते हैं जब हमें एंगल के बारे में बात करना होगा। ओके, tell me anything else you want me to discuss there?
Sir, how to find irrational numbers between √2 and √3?
Yeah, √2 and √3 सेम, सिंपल सी चीजें हैं। अगर एक छोटा सा आसान मेथड बताऊं, टफ मेथड बताऊं?
Sir, both.
बोथ, चलो। आसान मेथड तो यही कहता है, सपोज इफ यू आर हैविंग 1.414, ठीक है? √2 का वैल्यू कितना है? 1.414, इट विल गो लाइक दैट। अगर मैं 1.42 सपोज 1.42 अगर चूज करता हूं, इसके बाद आएगा या इसके पहले आएगा? 1.41 के बाद आएगा या पहले आएगा? बाद आएगा।
Yes, sir.
1, इसका वैल्यू कितना है? 1.73, ठीक है, ऑलमोस्ट √3 का वैल्यू 1.73 है।
Yes.
अगर मैं कोई भी नंबर यहाँ पे 1.42, 123, 1.42, 145 ऐसे कंटिन्यू कर देते हैं, 1.44, 132, कोई भी नंबर हम कंटिन्यू करते हैं, ये दोनों के बीच में ही आएगा ना, ये भी तो इरेशनल नंबर ही हुआ। अंडरस्टैंड? ये तरीका है, स्मार्ट तरीका। इफ यू हैव द लेस टाइम देन यू कैन डू लाइक दैट। another one is there, you have to find root of ab का मतलब होता है you assume this as a this as a b, again उसको तुम रूट करोगे, मतलब root of a means √6 will rise between like that, means root of √6 ऐसे, क्योंकि मल्टीप्लाई हम करेंगे, सपोज मैंने तुम्हें ये चीज नहीं बताया, थोड़ा सा इसके बारे में जान लो फिर हम बात करेंगे उसकी, ठीक है। एक्चुअली इसका मतलब क्या होता है, दिस इज नथिंग बट वी कैन कॉल इट एज सर्च, ठीक है, इसको हम क्या कहते हैं, सर्च कहते हैं, ठीक है, इसको हम क्या कहते हैं, सर्च। ऐसा अगर साइन आया तो ये बेसिकली कुछ भी नहीं, अगर मैं किसी भी स्क्वायर को उधर भेजूंगा तो वो क्या हो जाएगा, स्क्वायर रूट में चेंज होगा, दैट इज 1/2 simply, okay, so representing this 1/2 is nothing but under root square root of something, suppose 8, ठीक है। इसका प्रॉपर्टीज है, इसका प्रॉपर्टीज क्या कहता है कि हम सर्च को, दैट इज देयर इन द नंबर सिस्टम ओनली, सर्च अगर 2 + √3 है तो कितना होगा आंसर इसका, how much you can get there, √2 + √3, tell me what is a √2 + √3, anyone, √2 + √3 how much, कुछ भी दिमाग में आए तो बोलो।
3.1.
3.14 नहीं, ऐसे ही बताऊंगा, कैन आई डू लाइक दैट,
Yes.
आई कैन डू और नॉट,
Yes, sir.
हम ऐसे नहीं कर सकते, हम ऐसे नहीं कर सकते, रूट्स का जब भी terms की बात होगी, यहाँ भी, हाँ बेटा, यू आर सेइंग समथिंग,
If not the square root of 2 and 3 in point only, then we can do that.
हाँ, सो
Like,
हमें तो
it
√2
become,
का √3 का परफेक्ट वैल्यू, परफेक्ट टर्मिनेटिंग टर्म्स नहीं पता है ना बेटा, तो परफेक्ट टर्म नहीं पता है तो हम कैसे उसका प्रूफ करेंगे डेसिमल में, अंडरस्टैंड? सो सी, आप देखो, जब सर्च में बात आता है ना, सर्च की बात आता है, तो सर्च में क्या कहता है कि जब कोई लाइक सर्च होगा, जैसे लाइक टर्म होता था ना, यू नो अबाउट द लाइक टर्म,
Yes, sir.
व्हाट इज लाइक टर्म, लाइक टर्म क्या होता है कि सेम, सपोज 3a 7b 33a 7c 8b, इसमें लाइक टर्म्स कौन कौन है बताओ तो, can you tell me which one is like terms?
3a, 33a and 7b and 8b.
Yeah, very good. Means जिसका वेरिएबल साथ में हो, सेम डिग्री पे हो, सेम पावर पे हो, हम उसके लाइक टर्म्स बोलते हैं। सिमिलरली यहाँ पे भी लाइक सर्च होता है। लाइक सर्च का मतलब होता है कि अगर सेम टर्म हुआ, √2 है, 7 √2, 8 √2, 5 √2, मतलब ये पीछे का जो टर्म होगा, टेक इट एज अ वेरिएबल देयर, ये इसको क्या मान लो, एक वेरिएबल ही मान लो, √2 को, √3 को एक अलग वेरिएबल मान लो। तो वैसे को लाइक सर्च कहते हैं, उसको हम ऐड कर सकते हैं। अगर मैं यहाँ पे 3 कर दूं और यहाँ पे √2 ही कर दूं, इसका मतलब क्या होगा, यहाँ पे √2 कितने हैं, 3 है, और यहाँ पे √2 कितने हैं, 1 है। तब हम इसको मैं कह सकता हूँ दैट विल बी 4√2। √2 कितने हो गए, 4 हो गए। ठीक है, तो इसमें भी सर्च में भी एक लाइक सर्च आता है, एक अनलाइक सर्च आता है। So these two are, if I'm saying √2 plus √3, I can't add as a √2 plus 3. Understand? इसको काट दो ऐसे. These are not like surds. I can't add that one. Clear? Like surds में हम addition करना हो, subtraction करना हो, I need like surds only. So ये थोड़ा सा concept दिमाग में रखो, तो तुम्हें काम आएगा वहां पे. ठीक है? इसको हम नहीं ऐड कर सकते या नहीं सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं, बट इफ इट इज इन द डिवीजन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन, सपोज ये 12 है डिवाइडेड बाय √3 है, ओके, तो हम इसको कर सकते हैं 2 into 3 कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, इसको हम कर सकते हैं दोनों के एक ही रूट में डाल के 2/12/3 कर सकते हैं। दिस आई कैन डू। So divisions and multiplication can be occur between any surds. Understand? Write the note point there. When divisions and multiplications can occur between any two surds, but addition and subtraction must be happen only when they two are like surds. Understand?
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
या रहा बात वो रैशनल नंबर बिटवीन इरेशनल नंबर बिटवीन टू नंबर्स का, यू कैन ऑलवेज डू द सेम दैट मेथड ओनली। ठीक है, रूट ऑफ ए बी, जैसे मुझे √2 एंड √3 का वैल्यू चाहिए। ठीक है, तो रूट ऑफ ए बी का मतलब होता है √2 into √3, सो दिस इज √6। अगेन तुम्हें उसके बीच में चाहिए, सो यू हैव दिस वन √6 हियर, √3 हियर, फिर इसके बीच में चाहिए तो फिर √2 into √6, फिर इसके बीच में चाहिए तो √6 into √3, फिर ये इनके बीच में चाहिए, फिर इनके बीच में चाहिए, फिर इनके बीच में चाहिए। You can get so many numbers of irrational number in between the numbers. Okay, ये आसान है कि वो डेसिमल वाला आसान है?
Sir, decimal.
दोनों आसान है बेटा। ओके, दोनों में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, दोनों आसान है। ओके, सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। So you all are not studying there, I think. Abhinav, what are your doubt?
I'm just doing the first chapter.
Yeah. So you are getting anything?
Sir, that doubt that I have, that you
Yeah, so we already see 9th के लिए, I think 9th के लिए मैंने क्विज पे भी कुछ क्वेश्चन ऐड किए, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन ऐड किए। 8th का भी होगा, 9th का भी होगा कुछ चैप्टर से। ठीक है, हो सकता है 10th का भी होगा। इफ यू नो दो क्वेश्चन मींस जाना है इंट्रोडक्शन में स्टार्ट में, सो यू कैन सॉ दैट वन। इंट्रोडक्शन को देखिए, मेंशुरेशन अभी 12th तक जाएगा, मतलब आगे तक भी जाएगा। अंडरस्टैंड? जैसे अभी तुमने क्यूबॉइड किया, ये किया हो ना, क्यूबॉइड किया हो मेंशुरेशन में।
yes.
अब यहाँ पे सिलेंडर और कोन ऐड होगा, ये होगा, ये तुम्हारा 8 का था, ये तुम्हारा 9th का बनेगा। फिर कोन में एक और चीज ऐड होगा, फ्रस्टम कोन, या हमें स्फीयर एंड हेमिस्फीयर भी है, 9 हेमिस्फीयर। ठीक है, ये 9th का, सिर्फ फ्रस्टम ऐड करके फिर तुम्हारा 10th का बनाएगा। तो तुम्हें यहाँ से सब लेके चलना पड़ेगा, Understand? Whatever you have learned, so for everyone I'm saying, if your friend is there, if you know them, just tell them they can start the practicing, they can start the questions from mensuration now also. 8th का mensuration भी करना है, 9th का mensuration भी करना है, 10th का mensuration करना है, जो जो टॉपिक तुमसे मैच कर रहा है, तुम्हारे बुक से मैच कर रहा है. You are getting my point? Okay. Understand? Is it okay for you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So next, still we are having the 15 minutes are there. So yeah, if you are not having doubts, should I ask you the doubt there? Should I ask you the questions?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Tell me.
Sir, in line and angles.
Line and angles. Okay, line and angles में क्या doubt है बेटा?
So find the measure of an angle which is 36 degree more than its complement.
36 is more than its complement. So see, simple सी चीजें क्या है कि complement and supplement के बारे में हम लोगों ने पिछले भी पढ़ा था. Correct? 8 में ही पढ़े हो. What is the complement and complementary angle? What is the complementary angle?
So two angles are said to be complementary if the sum of their measure is 90 degree.
Sum of whose 90 degree? And this is 180 degree. Correct ना? उसने कहा
Sir.
है कि हमें उस एंगल बताओ जो एक एंगल दूसरे एंगल का कितना है 36 डिग्री मोर ना यू सेड.
Sir.
तो दोनों का 36 डिग्री मोर है. एक एंगल अगर x मान लो तो दूसरा हो जाएगा x + 36. ठीक है. अभी दोनों को मैं ऐड करूंगा तो ये पहुंच जाएगा 90 पे. यहां से मैं x निकाल लूंगा. Can I do like that?
Yes, sir.
x + x क्योंकि दो एंगल उसने कहा है, एक एंगल दूसरे से कितना बड़ा है 36 डिग्री बड़ा है, दूसरा एंगल को 36 कर देता हूँ. ये एक दूसरे एक एंगल हो गया. मतलब सपोज उसने कहा कि ये दोनों एंगल मिला के 90 डिग्री होना चाहिए, तो मैंने एक किया, इससे ये एंगल इससे कितना बड़ा है 36 डिग्री बड़ा है, इन दोनों का ऐड करूंगा तो 90 डिग्री होना चाहिए था. वहां से x निकाल दूंगा, एक वेरिएबल है. Okay? Yeah.
Okay, sir.
So how much you are getting? Healthy. So I think today Rani has not asked any questions there. So Rani is not studying there. Yukta also.
No, sir.
So any questions from your side? Any other questions? Student, any questions? So now, okay, fine. So see, I want to tell you means regarding the mathematics only, as I'm saying every time. See, now how you are feeling regarding mathematics? Is it hard subject or easy subject? रानी, अब मैथमेटिक्स कैसा लग रहा है? इजी लग रहा है, हार्ड लग रहा है? वैष्णवी, रानी, प्राज्ञा, युक्ता, मृत्युंजय, I'm audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
तो अब कैसा लग रहा है? मैथमेटिक्स इजी लग रहा है, हार्ड लग रहा है? अभी भी
easy.
इजी लग रहा है। रानी,
Sir, easy.
इजी लग रहा है? ऐसे ही बोल रही हो या सही में इजी लग रहा है?
No, sir.
सही में इजी लग रहा है? चलो, so अच्छी बात है। So keep doing the practice, okay? So whatever the videos you are getting, just do it those things and see, चीजें क्या है ना, प्रैक्टिस करो। क्लासेस का टैग मत लगा कर रखो। ये 10th का बुक है या 9th का बुक है, 11th का बुक है, 12th का बुक है या किसी और का बुक है, उससे हमको मतलब कोई टॉपिक अगर तुम्हें लग रहा है कि ऐसा टॉपिक तो मेरे पास, मेरे सब्जेक्ट, मेरे टॉपिक में भी है, मेरे बुक्स में भी है, जस्ट सी दोस क्वेश्चंस, उसको ट्राई करने में कोई बुरा नहीं है। सॉल्व हो ना हो, दैट विल बी द सेकेंडरी थिंग, करेक्ट? सो ट्राई द क्वेश्चंस देयर। इफ यू ट्राई एवरी डे, your the thinking power will be strong there, understand? So and that then only your means mathematics become more easy for you, okay? So keep on trying those things always, okay? If you try more, whatever question you will try, that much of the fine means perfect you are getting in that things there, okay? So how I check the questions? I think if I check your paper there as means these are means it's seriously mistake you have done, correct? Most of the some I think Pragya also they have done one more silly mistakes there, okay? And that can be curable when you are practicing more and more questions, okay? So do focus on the things there and focus on the concept there and try the questions there and be ready for the next sessions, because this is doubt I have to ask with the sir there and follow the things. Suppose so many videos we are keeping there, and go and see that one. I think one ma'am is there, she is keeping for the real number already, understand? For the 10th classes, means for 9th classes also, I think 9th classes she kept it there. So these things also she also discusses there, and you can see, you can check those videos also, and you can just find okay how she is explaining and which point you are not understanding. Ask me there, no problem, I can discuss those things again, okay? So okay, so be practice there always, and means carry on those things daily, and then only you can get it. And how you are feeling the mathematics day by day, just share with me also, okay? So okay everyone, and we will meet in the next session, okay? Which I think today is Monday, correct? So on Wednesday we will meet there, okay? Okay, thank you everyone. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Good
sir.
afternoon.
Yeah, thank you.